single solo parent and hardworking mom. Viewers, please listen closely in today's episode. If you think that sweet Filipina you just separated from is going to sit at home, stare at your old photos, and mourn your 4 months of years, you are delusional. The reality is that in the Philippines, the social and romantic marketplace is moving fast. And if you step out of the picture, someone else is stepping in. Maybe before your suitcase even lands back home. You might think you were special, that you were irreplaceable, that she's going to spend years pining for the memories you built together. Nope, that's not how it works here. In fact, in many cases, the replacement process starts before you even call it quits, especially if she already feels the relationship is shaky. It's not always about love, it's about security, opportunity, and survival. The Philippines is a country where options are always available for a Filipina, especially if she's young, attractive, and has a bit of charm. You left, no problem. She can tap into Facebook, TikTok, or dating apps and instantly have five foreign guys messaging here, promising attention, romance, and money. Moreover, let's not sugarcoat it. Many of these guys are already waiting in line, watching from the sidelines for their turn. It's not that she didn't care about you. She probably did. But the emotional replacement happens quickly when the economic reality is pressing. Love here is often deeply intertwined with financial stability. Remove that stability, and the heart can adapt fast. You might not notice, but a lot of Filipinas already have what I call a digital waiting list. These are casual online chats with admirers that they maintain just in case. It doesn't mean she's cheating, but it does mean she has backup options. When the main guy disappears, one of these backups steps forward. Sometimes it's a local guy, but often it's another foreigner. Older, younger, doesn't matter. What matters is who's available and willing to provide attention and support right now. In small towns, breakups are public news. Your relationship status changes. People gossip, and suddenly the single man, and even their friends abroad, know she's available again. In cities, it's even faster. She can be in a new relationship within days, sometimes hours, because her network is that wide. Culturally, there's also less stigma here for moving on quickly, especially if the relationship was with a foreigner who left. People will simply say, well, she needs someone to take care of her, and that's that. The biggest mistake foreign men make is thinking their financial health or unique personality makes them irreplaceable. Newsflash, you are not. There's always another foreigner looking for a Filipina, and there's always another Filipina ready to meet him. You are part of a constant turnover of relationships here. That is absolutely true. The foreigner pipeline into the Philippines is like a river that never stops flowing. And if you step out, the current carries in someone else. This isn't about demonizing Filipinas. It's about understanding the dynamics. We live in a world where replacing a partner isn't betrayal. It's survival and practicality. If you take it personally, you will just end up better. Instead, accept it as part of the game here. The next time you hear a guy say, she will never replace me, smile because you know the truth. She probably already has a plan B and plan C. If you can't handle that reality, maybe the Philippines and dating Filipinas is not for you. But if you can handle the truth and facts, you will save yourself a lot of heartbreak, a lot of illusions. and a lot of delusional thinking and grief. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.